everybody, it's Gail from the Happy Stamper. Thanks for stopping by and taking a minute to visit with me. I'm super excited to show you a great recycling, repurposed Christmas packaging idea. I am all about reusing, repurposing whenever I can. Plus, this will save you some money, and who doesn't want to do that at the holidays? So don't go and spend $5 to $7 on those gift packages, bags at Walmart and stuff, or at your local Walgreens, CVS, things like that. I know almost all of us have these yucky brown bags that we get when we're out shopping. I just picked this one up. Can you guess from where? Getting some gift cards. And I know we all keep these. I'm not the only one that hoards them and stuffs them in my closet. So save the money, put it in your pocket, or else, you know what, donate it. If there's a Salvation Army guy in front of one of those stores, drop a $5 in that. Save the money, but don't waste it on gift packaging when this is super simple. So, what you're going to need for this project is just a yucky brown bag that you've got stuffed in your closet. I am using this adorable 12 by 12 Christmas paper. And this is from the All Is Bright, and I hope that's not throwing too much reflection, but it's the All Is Bright, and I chose this cute little stocking. So you're going to need 2 pieces. It is double-sided, so you can choose whichever side you want to use. This is cute too. And I'm going to cut both of these at the same time. Even though this paper is a little thicker, our amazing cutting board here can handle it. So I have measured my bag. All you're going to do is measure your bag. And mine is 7 4/8. And I'm going to call this 10 1/16. Okay? So let's get this open. And I said 7 and 1, 2, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. That can also be 7 3/4. And I am just, I hope I'm in screen here, sorry. And you can give it a go by a couple of times. Save this though, you guys. Okay. And 10 1/16. Where's my 10? Here it is. 10 1/16. Oop. That was my scoring one. Okay. So that is what we have. I'm going to put my cutting board away. And then I'm just going to make sure. Why do I feel like I'm zoomed in so close, you guys? I don't know. Sorry if I am. I'm just going to give this a little glance over, make sure it fits. I would even, if your bag is a little bit wider, mine is just a skosh short, so just measure it. And then for this, because we don't want this to move at all, I am going to use our green glue here. And this is just, you know what, it's so fun. And mine is a little sticky wicky. Put on a nice Christmas CD. Just make a day of it. Have your grandkids over. I always keep a fresh one nearby. I have learned from filming videos that it's always a good idea to have a backup on hand. Now, I left a little edge because this is going to squish out. And because mine is just a skosh off here, I am going to just have a little brown edging. And then just wipe off any little. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. But this would be a great project to recycle, to do with your grandkids, your kids, any church projects that perhaps you're doing with kids. It's just a great way to save a little bit of money. And like I said, you know, donate the money instead. Don't waste it on packaging. I'm going to go a little higher on this because my bottom is a little short, but that's okay. So there you have that. That is all it takes to cover it. Then I have some ribbons here, and I've gone ahead and I made a cute little Christmas tag, and I'll show you in another video how to do this. I want to keep this short, but this is a really cute little tag that I made, and that features the cookie cutter Christmas stamp set, and I use Santa Claus, and then in here is also the to and from. So it makes a darling little tag, and I'll show you how I did that in another video. But right now I've braided linen trim, which kind of picks up the cream color, or, you know, the natural color. And then I'm just going to adhere this tight around the little handle. Like so. So just put on some Christmas music, make a cup of hot cocoa, and save some time to make your own packaging. It's super cute. So you can see there's the little tag, and here's our bag. So yeah, there you have it, you guys. Simple packaging. Reuse those ugly brown bags that I know we all have. Add some little white tissue, and you've got a cute little gift bag, and you will save tons of money and feel good if you donate it. So there you have it, you guys. Thanks for visiting with the Happy Stamper today. Please make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button. And as always, great big hugs from me to you. Make sure you check out all the goodness over on my blog as well, thehappystamper.com. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.